Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and today welcome to my little series, The Wigs I Wore. Every month I do a short video featuring some of the wigs I wore in the previous month. So of course this is the wigs I wore in July. I tried to wear a variety of wigs in July. It's hot down here. I wore some longer styles, but I pinned them up like this one. I'll show it to you. But I just think this is a fun little series. I hope you like it too. Be sure to leave me some comments in the drop down box if you do. And I have 10 wigs. I think, like I said, I really tried to do a variety of styles this month, short, long, some in between, and these are only 10. I can't show you all of them. We'd be here all day and I don't want to bore you to death. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Please like and subscribe if you would. And I hope you enjoy these short series that I do. Now, so let me explain. If you are new, this is not a wig review. I have reviewed not all of these wigs because 2 of these wigs are brand new releases. So I have not done them, but I have done the others. So I would ask you, if you find one that you like, I'm going to put the name of the wig and the color on the screen. If you want to know more about that particular wig, like cap construction, styling options, seen in different types of lighting, I usually always show, in the last year or so I will say, I show all of my wigs in indoor and outdoor lighting. And when I first started, I did not realize the importance of that until later on, but now I always show you my wigs indoors and outdoors so you get a true representation of the color. So if you see one that you would like to know more about, please search my channel. There's a little place you can search, a search bar on my channel, and you can just search the name of the wig there and it will come up for you. All right, let's start out with Wavy Day. Now, this is such a beautiful style. Raquel Welch Wavy Day. I have mine in RL 1222 SS, which of course is shaded cappuccino. How cute. Oh my goodness, this has been super popular, right? I put mine up in a clip today because it's hot, like I said, down here. I think it was 104 yesterday. I have some errands to run this afternoon. I have work to do this afternoon. So I thought I'm going to wear my Wavy Day, but I'm going to pull it up off of my face. I just put a couple bobby pins in it, put it in a clip, and I am out the door. It really doesn't get any easier than that. I like the versatility of this wig. I like the long bang. I can pull it back. I like to leave a few strings out. You certainly don't have to. So it is a versatile style, and even though it's a longer style, it works for the summer as well. Okay, let's move along to Gabor Trend Alert in Iced SS Iced Cappuccino. Now, wasn't this one of the most popular styles Gabor came out with? I think everyone just about has tried Trend Alert. I like to just spray mine. Y'all know how I do. I just like to spray it with some water. I like to separate my curls. I do this on every wig I put on my head. I just do. You don't have to. It's not necessary. I just like to separate the fibers, straight or curly, and if it's a wavy wig like this, I feel like it just kind of gives it a little life, brings to life those waves. This is just such a wearable style, and this color, again, I think it's a very wearable color as well. If you haven't tried Trend Alert, you want something that's, it's kind of a beachy wave, yet it's a shattered wave as well. It's not overdone. It's kind of a tame beachy wave. Have a look at Trend Alert. Okay, here's Beltress. This is Bona Vita in British Milk Tea. When this first came out, Bona Vita, I have it in Butterbeer Blonde. I think I have it in Tres Leches Blonde. I like this style. So I wanted to try the British Milk Tea. I knew I already liked this style. So I went with this color to see how I liked it. And I do. It's very pretty. It's neutral. I think a lot of skin tones can wear this. It really is a beautiful color. And I mean, this style, low density, straight bob, asymmetrical, you know, it's got it all. And y'all, I know I'm going through these fast, but that's how these videos are. And like I said, if you see one you want to know more about, just do search it on my channel, and I have a video and will tell you all about it and give you all the details. But I just think this is so pretty. I will just want to mention this runs really large on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and I find that belle tress really runs large for me. Okay, if you have followed me for any length of time, you know this is my hair. Short, spiky, out of the box, easy to wear. Oh my goodness, yes, yes, and yes. This, now, there is no review on this one yet on my channel. The reason being, this has not even launched. By the time you see this, this will have launched. This is Ellen Villa Napoli, and this color is Bahama Beige Shaded. You know, I review for Wig Studio One. I'm so fortunate to be able to do that. And they got me this wig. I've had it for a while. I've worn it and worn it and worn it. So I was so excited that I was able to show it to you today. What's great about this one, has a little longer nape. I will absolutely be having a video coming up on this. They launched 3 new styles. I have 2 of them, and I think I'm going to do a video that shows both of those. One I have is Delight, and I might have it, I have it here, so I'm going to show it to you in just a minute. So I got 2 of the launch. I will record those, I think, together. But I couldn't pass up this opportunity because I have had these a while, and have been able to wear them. So if you like these short, fun styles, don't forget to have a look at this one. All right, if you like Jon Renau at night, but you don't like heat-friendly fibers, check out Jon Renau Idalia, and this one is Malibu Blonde. This is regular synthetic, but other than that, it's a dead ringer for at night. Absolutely just about the same wig, except for the fibers are different. I feel like this one does not have as much permatease as Mike Knight does. That's just my opinion. You may have this and think it has just the same amount. And this is just, I like this wig. I like it for the summer, throw on and go. Of course, I like it at night. So they're both winners. Okay, here is another brand new style. This is the Ellen Villa Delight. Mine is in Rosewood Rooted. Wow, look at these curls, look at these waves, but mainly look at this color. Oh my goodness. I have reviewed this color, but like I said, this is brand new. By the time you see this video, this will have launched. And if you are a fan of the beachy wave, which you know it took me a long time to get on board to be a fan of the beachy wave, but now I am, I think you will like this one. Now, I want to caution you before I go any further, this wig is huge on me. I took the adjusters all the way in and crisscrossed them. That's how big. In my opinion, this will stretch to a 22 or 23. This is a very, very roomy cap on this wig. So if you have a larger size and you want to try Ellen Villa and you like this style, have a look at Delight. Okay, another brand new style. This is Tressallure Smooth Cut Bob. This color is 1723 R8. This launched this week. I have a full review of this on my Instagram. If you don't follow me at Crazy Wig Lady on Instagram, please do. A lot of times I have wig reviews there that I don't have here. It just depends. Sometimes I'll review them there and sometimes I review them here. But if you want to see the full review of this, it is on my Instagram. Oh my goodness. I took this out of the box and put it on, and this is how it looked. There was no face flopping on this wig at all. It's already beautifully contoured, and look at this color. I want you to look at these highlights. Beautiful bob. It has a double mono top. There is some permatease in here, and it starts at the perimeter. Nothing on the top, but then there is a little to give it the shape. It needs it. I'm glad it has a little. I think it'll hold the shape. It'll be beautiful like this. I was at a restaurant yesterday with my brother, and we were having lunch, and the waitress stopped and said, I just want to tell you, your highlighting is beautiful on your hair. And of course I said, well, thank you, it's a wig. And we had a conversation about wigs. Now, of course, you can just say thank you, and that's great. But, you know, y'all, we each have our own wig journey, right? There's no right way. There's no wrong way. Please don't let anyone ever tell you there is. The only way there is your way. Whatever you want to do. I personally, I never miss a chance to tell someone if they say they like my hair, thank you, it's a wig. And I love to have a conversation about wigs and how far wigs have come and how great wigs look. And never can anyone, when I say it's a wig, they will say no. And I usually say, yeah, it is. Okay, since I showed you my John Renault Idalia, I wanted to show you Ignite, and this color is Toffee Truffle. I have Ignite in so many blondes. I wanted to try it in a darker shade, so I ordered this one, and oh, I love it. I think it's so rich. It's such a beautiful, beautiful color. Now, heat-friendly fibers, of course. Like I said, it's very similar to the one we looked at before, so it's just your preference. Do you want heat-friendly, or would you rather have regular synthetic? So I'm so glad that we have a choice here. Okay, this is Beltress Cherry. This color is Butterbeer Blonde. Now, you know, sometimes I think Beltress is just kind of known for their long sleek bobs or their really long hair, but they have some really cute short styles too. So be sure to have a look at those. And this is one of them. I like this little wig. Another throw on and go, super lightweight, asymmetrical. It's a little longer in the front than the back. Just, I mean, out of the box, get out the door. Look, I like the rooting. I like Butterbeer Blonde. I think it's pretty. It has a lot of ash in it, which I enjoy. I like Butterbeer Blonde. I have it on lots of styles, but I just like this little cherry style. And now I really want this in a red. All right, this is my last one, and I wanted to end it on a good note. This is Raquel Welch Untold Story SS Iced Latte Macchiato. Yes, you know, I love Raquel Welch Upstage. Always have, always talked about it. It's been my favorite for many years. Last year, Untold Story was my favorite. Even though I still love them both, I just think this is a gorgeous wig. There is nothing I don't like about it. I love the length. I love the color. I love the fit. I love everything about it. Now, yes, there's a lot of fiber on this wig, and if that's something you're uncomfortable with, I'd just like to let you know that right up. I have grown accustomed to that over the years. In the beginning, anything like this would have overwhelmed me. I would have been scared to death of it. Over the years, I have grown to really appreciate wigs that have a lot of fiber. I like to have a lot of hair. It has just been my progression of my journey. And yes, I know I say I love them all. I do. I love them all. I'm not going to apologize for it. I love them all. And you can too. There's no rule to say you can only love one wig. I love all these wigs. I wear them. I love them. I love them all for different reasons. And you can too. Enjoy your wig journey. Please, let me just encourage you. This is yours. It's unique to you. No one should tell you what to wear, what not to wear. You wear what you love. Do you feel beautiful? You put this wig on, you think, wow, I love this wig. I'm out of this house. I got a smile on my face. I know my hair looks good, and I'm going to have a good day. I want to encourage you to do that too. Just embrace this wig journey. It gets easier. I know it's hard in the beginning, but it gets easier. Be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. Learn all you can about it. And just enjoy your own crazy wig journey. I'll see you next time.